On this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can blur the background behind you. Let's say you're making video and you don't want people to know what the background behind you look like and you want to blur it. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you the practical step on how you can blur your background. For example, this is how the background behind me look like. This is how it looks like. And presently now, this is how this same background look like. So you see, so join me. Let's go to CapCut video editing and blur this background together so that you can learn. And don't forget to share this video so that other people that have value for this kind of video can see it, watch, and learn. Thank you, and let's go together. So to blur our background, all we just need to do is to go to CapCut. This is my CapCut. So I'll click to open CapCut. So the next thing to do is to click on New Video. So it will take us to our gallery to look for the exact video that we want to blur the background. So I'll pick this one to be the video, and on this video I'll click on add. So now it's on my first timeline. So it's on the timeline. I'll scroll towards the end of the video to remove this CapCut logo at the end. So just click select and delete it. It will go away. So now we have the video that we want to blur the background. This is the video that we want to blur the background. If you want to blur the entire video, the background, so all we just need to do is to select the video is already selected and come down here, scroll, look for where we have our duplicate. So this is my duplicate. I will click on it to duplicate the video into two. So I will also go down here, scroll, and get this overlay. This overlay that has this arrow that faces up and down. I will click on it to step it down. So it's stepping the duplicate copy down. Now the duplicate copy becomes the overlay. So I will click, drag it to the beginning of the first video in the timeline. So now the next thing we'll do is to click on the overlay video right now. So the next thing we're going to do is to click on the overlay video. So now it's selected. So come down here, scroll and look for where you have your BG remover, your background remover. So this is my remove BG. So I'll click on it. So click on auto remover. So I'll click on auto remover. So you're going to give it some time to remove the background from this video. So it's processing. Once it's done processing, we'll just click the good icon right here. So it's done processing. The next thing to do is to click on this good icon that is here. So I'll click on it. So on the timeline, so I'll select the first video on the timeline. So come down here, I'll look for effects. So this is my effect. I'll click on the effect. I'll click on video effect. Click on video effects. So it will bring something like this. So I'll go to the search bar here. So I'll just type blur. So I already have it in my search bar. So I'll click blur. So give it some time. It will bring different blur out here. So you look for the exact one that you want. So I'll just quickly pick this one to be the one I want. So select. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can blur the background behind you. Increase how you want the effects to be. So you can increase it. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can blur the background behind you. On good icon. So when you go now and play your video. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can blur the background behind you. So as you can see, the background of our video has been blurred. So now you cannot detect how my background look like again. So guys, share this video so that other people that have value for this kind of video can see it and watch. And don't forget to follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.